Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to mint meme coins. First, clearly define your coin's unique concept and what makes it appealing to a community. Next, select a blockchain platform that aligns with your project's goals, considering factors like transaction fees and speed. Finally, familiarize yourself with the fundamental technical requirements for creating a token on your chosen network. This foundational planning is crucial for a successful launch. Once your concept is solid, you'll move to the technical creation. You can either use a pre-existing smart contract template, which is often simpler, or develop custom code for more unique features. Then, configure essential token parameters such as the total supply, the token symbol, and its decimal places. After careful review, deploy your smart contract to the blockchain, making your token officially exist on the network. With your token deployed, the next critical step is to provide initial liquidity on a decentralized exchange. This allows people to buy and sell your meme coin. Simultaneously, list your token on popular crypto tracking websites to increase visibility. Actively engage with your growing community through social media and forums, fostering excitement and building strong momentum for your project's future. To ensure long-term success, implement a robust marketing strategy across various social media platforms, highlighting your coin's unique value. Continuously foster an active and engaged community, as their support is vital for sustained growth and adoption. Remember, building a strong community takes time and consistent effort. Also, for some fantastic deals, including a link to darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to check the description below this video. Your support helps us create more content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.